Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through adding validation to the text box form field in BoldSign. Form field validation is a vital process that ensures the accuracy and completeness of data entered by users. By implementing validation techniques, errors and incomplete submissions are minimized, leading to enhanced data quality and improved user experience. Currently, BoldSign offers 5 types of validation for text boxes: only number, regex, currency, email, and none. Let's assume I am a registration manager at a tech conference. I have been entrusted with the responsibility of creating a registration form to systematically collect attendee details. To achieve this, I have decided to use various validation types when creating signature requests, to ensure the accuracy and consistency of the data collected. To create a signature request, I click the Create New button and select the Create New Document option. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the conference registration form in the Add Files section. Next, I add the attendees' details in the Add Recipients section. I check the remaining sections and click the Next button to navigate to the Configure Field page. I'll begin with the registration details. I drag and drop text box fields to collect the name, age, email address, phone number, and ticket quantity. In the Name text box settings, I select the None option from the drop-down menu in the Validation section. This allows the attendee to enter their name without any restrictions. In the Age text box settings, I choose the Only Numbers option from the drop-down menu in the Validation section. Then I enable the fixed width and set the character limit to 2. This forces the text box to accept numbers only with a maximum of 2 characters. Next, in the Email address text box settings, I choose the Email option from the drop-down menu in the Validation section. This allows the entry of valid email addresses only. In the Phone number text box settings, I choose the regex option from the drop-down menu in the Validation section. Then, I enter the regex value here. This validates 3 groups of digits separated by hyphens. I enter the corresponding description as "Please enter your phone number in this format." Finally, in the Ticket Quantity text box settings, I select the Only Number option from the drop-down menu in the Validation section. I enable the Fixed Width option and set the character limit to 1. This allows the entry of the number of tickets to be just a single number. I drag and drop the signature field. Let me double-check my changes once and then send the document out for signature. Let's now switch to the signer's side and see how the validation works. When I click the Review and Sign button on the signature request email, I am navigated to the document signing page. I focus on the form fields. I enter my name. Next, I enter my age. The age text box only allows the entry of 2 numbers. If I enter a letter or space, an error message pops up, alerting me to use numbers only. Then I enter an email address. The email text box allows the entry only of valid emails and alerts me if I enter an invalid email. I enter a phone number. Similarly, the phone number text box allows the entry of only numbers in a certain format and alerts me for any invalid entries. Next, I enter the number of tickets. The Ticket Quantity text box allows the entry of only a single number. I enter my signature. I complete the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. That's all there is to adding validation to text box form fields. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.